Welcome to Linux Help. How to install Nextcloud on Ubuntu 22.04 version. The Nextcloud software suite is open source software that provides functionally similar to Dropbox, Office 365 or Google Drive when used with integrated software such as Collabora Online or OnlyOffice. The application can be hosted in cloud or non-premises. At first, I am going to check OS version. I am using Ubuntu 22.04 version. Now I am going to install Apache Web Server. For that I am using apt install. Apache Web Server has been successfully installed. Now I am going to check the status of the Apache Web Server. Status is active. Now I am going to install PHP. For that I am using apt install. PHP has been successfully installed. Now I am going to install MariaDB server. MariaDB has been successfully installed. Status is active. Now I am going to check MariaDB version. Version is 15.1. Now I am going to create a database. For that I am using create database. Database has been created. Now I am going to create user and grant privileges to the database. For that I am using Now the permission has been given. Now flush the privileges. Now I am going to exit. Now I am going to install Nextcloud. Before that I am moving to the HTML directory. From here I am going to download Nextcloud by using wget command. Now I am going to unzip folder. The file has been extracted. Now I am going to change the ownership. Ownership has been changed. Now I am going to create nextcloud.conf files in Apache document root directory. Now I am going to paste my code. Now save and exit. For that I am using escape :WQ. Now I am going to enable Apache configuration file and other modules. For that I am using here to enable site. Nextcloud.conf site enabled. Now I am going to enable module. Module has been enabled. Now I am going to disable Apache default.conf. Apache default.conf is disabled. Now I am going to check the syntax of the conf file by using Apache CTL. Syntax is okay. Now I am going to restart Apache web server. Now I am going to check in browser. Now I am going to create admin account. Here we need to give the database credential. Install recommended apps. It is the dashboard of the Nextcloud.
Thank you for watching this video, and if you like it, please subscribe to our channel. To learn more tutorials, visit www.linuxhelp.com, and if you have any queries, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com.